In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this multi-dimensional portal-looking scene in Blender. This is how the scene looks like. I have used a sphere to completely block the environment light. This is how the scene looks like without Blender's composition. These are arrayed cubes. I'll show you how the initial cube tile was created. In Edit mode, I selected the top face and brought it downward. After that, I pressed Ctrl B, as in Bravo, to bevel the top face. There are quite a lot of ways to create this mesh, but I used a curve point to create it. If you don't see the curve point, please activate Extra Objects add-on. G and X to move, and E to extrude. Please make sure the last point's X is set to 0, mirror the curve. Then we can convert the cube to mesh, duplicate it, and use Bridge Edge Loop or Loop Tool's Loft feature to connect them. These decorative wall meshes were created by duplicating the outer edge loop of the previous mesh we have created. Shift D to duplicate, and S to scale. We need to select both meshes and Ctrl J to join them. In Edit mode, Alt-Shift select two outer edge loops and Shift D to duplicate them. Type P to separate them. In Edit mode, Type A to select all, and F to fill. I typed E to extrude and used an array modifier to create duplicates like this. These light bars were created by scaling a cube and applying an array and a mirror modifier. This is how the original mesh looks like. The rest were duplicates. I'll show you the material details for each mesh. This one was a beveled curve circle. Lastly, here are my composite node details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.